Yes, programming a new key fob without a dealer is often possible, especially for older car models. Modern vehicles increasingly offer this option, but success depends on your car's make, model, and year. DIY programming saves you money, typically $50 to $200 compared to dealer fees of $100 to $300. Some newer, especially luxury models, may require dealer programming due to enhanced security measures to combat key hacks. Check your car's manual first. By 2025, smartphone integration is increasingly common, so check to see if this is an option for you. In some instances, DIY programming may not be an option and a dealer is necessary. Most DIY methods use the vehicle's ignition cycle and button presses on the fob. For advanced systems or newer models, you might need an OBD2 scanner, available for $100 to $300. Different car brands have different methods. Always follow specific instructions for your vehicle.